Hi everybody, it's Dr. Chang with CHIROWELL, and I have B here, and she just finished our 6-week weight loss program, and she just crushed it. She lost 24 pounds.
24 pounds.
That's awesome. I mean, you know. So I just want to hear from her, her experience, I guess after losing 24 pounds, see how it affected her health and, you know, how her activity and whatnot. So, all right, go ahead, B.
Thank you very much. I think that this has been probably the best program I've ever been on as far as losing weight. Now my challenge is to keep it off, which I will do because I have attuned my body to a different type of food intake. And I know what works for me and what doesn't work for me.
Mm-hmm.
I've also been able to take myself off of diabetic medications, other than I am taking a small amount of Jardiance because it has a cardiac effect as well as a diabetic effect.
Mm-hmm.
But my blood sugars are running primarily below 130 and as low as 80 depending on when I'm taking it.
So to be exact, you're actually off of like 3 medications.
3 medications,
right?
yeah.
That's amazing. So.
But and that's not where I'm stopping. But that has been a tremendous boost for my ability to continue to do the same thing now.
Right.
It is always helpful to have an instant success, and I have also gone through some plateaus, so I know how to get through those plateaus, which is another challenge, because when you start to lose weight and then you stop, you go, wait a minute, it's not working anymore, I'll just go ahead and eat something I shouldn't. And I didn't. I just said I'm not going to fall into that trap.
Right.
And so I just kept on going, and with Dr. Chang's help, that's how I was able to just work through it and continue to drop pounds.
Right. So sorry to interrupt, but yeah, at some point you were really stuck at one weight level, but we ran the IUP test and found out exactly what was wrong with digestion, and we actually had some, you know, digestive enzymes, some supplements to really help with digestion, and then bam, you know, your weight start going down again. Yeah.
Exactly.
So that's how we help break through the plateau. So.
I just don't want anybody to think that they're going to continue to lose as fast as they do initially. Remember, you're changing your body, so your body has to adjust to whatever you're doing, and I can't speak highly enough for this program. And
then you also mentioned briefly about the energy. You're having a lot more energy. I know you're very active. You're, you know, running around doing a lot of stuff, right? So that's great. You know, you're feeling more energy. Right?
Yeah, I'm feeling more energy. I was actually able to do a stair climb yesterday. I didn't know I was going to have to climb a flight of stairs. I haven't done that in a long time, and yet I made it, and I wasn't breathing hard.
That's great.
So, yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So anyway, so this is what can happen to you if you lose 20 or 30 pounds in just 6 weeks and have some dramatic effect on your overall health and well-being. So if you have any question about our weight loss program, definitely can call our office, CHIROWELL, at 480-485-6655 and set up a free consultation with me, Dr. Chang. So this is it. So hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.